Watch AI create a student lab. Experiments analysis dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our lab experiment data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the AI magic happen. Bricks is analyzing our student experiment data, identifying key patterns and trends. It's automatically generating multiple chart types to visualize the most frequent results: student activity over time, experiment frequency by title, conclusion distributions, and procedure summaries. The AI is also creating summary tables for monthly activity and experiment type breakdowns. Perfect. Our student lab experiments analysis. Dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 2 data tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our preferences. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. This gives us a clean, professional view perfect for sharing with educators and administrators. The dashboard automatically highlights key metrics and trends from our student lab data. We can navigate through each visualization seamlessly. Back to edit mode, we have full interactivity with filtering, drilling down, and real-time updates. Try Bricks today and transform your data analysis workflow.